Right. So now, as you can see here, imagine if I'm driving out. I'm driving out of this house, right? I'm driving out. This is my driveway. I go out and I come across a place like this. Understand? It is not a good feeling, guys. It's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling. You check, look at my house, the garage as is, right? And it's not nice. You don't understand? We try our best to try and make sure that we build ourselves good houses. Let's go this way. Understand? So now, Arabic. Right? So now, let's check what's happening. All right, let's check what's happening. Now, these are the houses. Arabic. These are the houses they actually.
You see, for free. We don't get it.
We don't get it.
Anything
Not
from
even
the
one
government.
rent. They don't give. The government doesn't give us.
You see, we don't get anything from the government because we are working for ourselves. So if you also work for yourself, you don't need anything from the government.
You see?
You see? They even stopped free electricity for us because we must work for ourselves.
They stop. We're no longer getting free units. You know that.
So now if we sit and sleep and not
Not anymore. They're saying our house is worth more than these houses, so they're only giving to.
who are not working, who can make it. So you see,
They
why
stopped.
have to stay up and work?
They stopped. We used to get free units here when we first started there, but as from May,
Everything, even our water, even our electricity,
everything
up
stopped.
for us.
You know,
Because we are working.
you know how much power I buy in a weekly
And we don't want it,
per
we
week.
want the government thing.
500 takes only 4 days. Let's go. All right. So now, Are, we are actually doing it's for a TV show that we're doing. So we'll send these videos to our
own TV show, so
Yeah.
we are working. Hmm? Are you interested? Okay, if you want me to tell you everything about this, can I take interview with you?
Yeah, yes. Yes. No, it doesn't matter. No.
You look
No, you look nice. You look nice. You look
Okay,
nice.
you don't want to talk.
But she looks nice.
Only if I give you interview, then you are able to get the
Understand.
link to my channel. Only if you allow me to interview you.
I can't interview now. I don't.
Okay, then let's go there. Maybe those guys will allow me
Yeah,
to
that's
interview
good.
them, and then you can ask them. You can hear me when I'm talking to them.
Going
Right. So,
right away.
okay, guys. So now, yeah. So as we move, Arabic. As we move. Yeah. As we move, okay, these are the kind of houses the government has actually built, right? You look at the place, look at how this place looks like. Look at how this place looks like. You understand? Look at all everywhere potholes. Hi, how are you? Potholes everywhere. Imagine you are living in a place, and when you actually wake up, when you're supposed to drive, even look at these places. Huh? Look at this place. They just put, gravel, so people can actually. It's bad, guys. It is so bad, very bad, right? So bad.
Can I
How are
interview
you?
just for a few seconds of your time? Just few seconds of your time.
Oh,
When you
okay.
come back,
He's going
I'll
alone.
get you.
He's going alone, the child. Right. So as you can see here, as you can see here. Hi, mommy. How are you?
How are you? Hi.
I'm alright. So as you
Want
can,
young ones today. Want to talk to the young ones.
so as you can see
You
here.
are too far. I was gonna ask you questions, but you are too far.
Right. Now look at this. Look at how they're taking care of this. I mean, how what the place look like. I mean, really, it's so bad. Look at these guys. Look at this. Eh? This is the place where they are actually saying they put people. I don't know about. No, from that side, yeah. Maybe that side. Maybe that side. Hi, how are you, Baba? I'm alright. No, it's not TikTok.
I'll put you on TV now.
On TV. Alright. This is the place.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you can interview her, babe. She can tell us.
You know, I'm going around. I
Yes.
want to ask people questions, but I think you can have my answers.
Yes, I think she can help us.
I trust you. So, do you allow me to open my camera so I can interview just a few seconds?
Yeah, I think
How
she
are
can
you,
help
baby?
us. How are you today?
Where's my baby?
Yeah, he's inside.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's
Can I come
nice.
see the baby? Can I come see the baby first before I ask you questions? Your dogs are a lot.
Right. So now, my wife wants to go inside just to see. You understand? No. All right. Let me quickly come inside. The dog won't bite me. All right.
What to?
So we're actually going to see. Ah! 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 Ah!